Happy New Year to all of you. So let's start making the New Year card. For the New Year card, you need an A4 size sheet. You have to fold it into half and press it in the form of card. Then you have to take a printed sheet and you have to cut it into the perfect size, and then you have to paste it on the card. Then you can take any net cloth. Here I have taken net cloth strips, or you can take plain white paper or any designer white paper. Then you have to take any of the cutted leaves, simple leaves or designer leaves. So here I have simple leaves and also designer leaves. Then you have to take flowers. Artificial. You can take any artificial flowers, but here I have artificial rose flower and some small roses flowers that are easily available on the stationery. So I am using this big one, rose flower. You can use the small one also. After that, on the printed sheet, you have to paste your net strips or any designer paper. You have to apply glue and paste it. Like this, you have to paste it in the side, not in the between and not in the side. And you have to press it and leave it for 2 minutes for being dried. So here we have pasted our flowers with the help of double-sided tape. We have cut this much of tape and we have pasted it on the net, and then we have pasted the flowers, 3 flowers on the double-sided tape. Now you have to paste the leaves in the double-sided tapes only. In the leftover double-sided tape, you have to just stick the leaves around it. Here we have stick the leaves and you can see how beautiful it is looking. Let's have a closer look. Now we'll paste a printed sheet on the card. So for a very good and graceful look, here we have also pasted white silver glitter sheets leaves also. You can see 4 to 5 leaves we have pasted. Let's have a closer look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is looking very nice. Now with the help of glitter sheet and leftover printed sheet, we'll cut 2 balloons. You can see 2 with printed sheets and 2 with glitter sheets for the inside work. So let's start the inside work. You have to paste it on the left side of the card, the balloons, like this. You can see we have pasted with the help of double-sided tape for a 3D look, and we have made the ribbons also with the red pen. And now we have to make a bow in the bottom of the ribbons of the balloon. It's done. So now in the borders of our printed sheet, we also have to make a red line for the borders so that it will look very graceful. So you have to make like this. You can make with the help of colored pen or you can use sketch pen. After that, for the inside borders, we are making a simple border and it looks nice also. So with the help of a red sketch pen, we have drawn lines and we are filling it with a sketch pen. You can see like this, you have to fill all the 4 sides. Here it's done. And now you have to color the bow also with the help of the sketch pen so that it looks very nice. You have to color the bow like this. And now where the balloons are pasted, we have written Happy New Year with the help of pencil, and now we have to complete it with the help of red sketch pen. Or you can do with the red pen. Here it's done, and on the right hand side on the blank page we have written Happy New Year and a beautiful quote for the new year, and we are completing it with the help of the CD marker. You can take any of the color CD marker. Here we have used black CD marker. Here our card is done. You can see the inside look. Wow, it's looking awesome. Happy New Year to all of you. This new year 2021 believes that everything is possible. May this new year would be without the COVID-19 pandemic. May you have a prosperous new year. May this new year gives you good health, wealth and lots of happiness. Happy New Year!